Hello everyone and welcome back to my class. Today in this video I will cover class 8 maths chapter number 9 algebraic expression and identities exercise 9.3 question number 4. Till question number 3 we have completed in the previous video. So here I will cover question number 4 and 5 of this exercise. So come to question number 4. Question A, simplify 3x inside the bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for. What we have to do, first we have to simplify this. Okay, we have to solve this. After that find its value for x equal to 3 and 2 x equal to 1 upon 2. So in the first question x value is given 3 and in second it is given 1 upon 2. Now we have to simplify and we have to put the value. So first one is what is the question given here is 3x inside the bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3. Now what we have to do, we have to solve this, isn't it? So now 3x multiply with 4x. First you will multiply 3x with 4x. That means 3 4s are how much? 12, isn't it? 3 4s are 12 and x into x is equal to x square minus 3 into 5 is how much? 15 and x. Here minus and here plus. So plus minus is minus. So 3 5s are 15. Then x is there. So x. Then what we have? We have 3 as a constant. Now for 1 it is given x equal to what? 3, isn't it? X equal to 3 is given. So in place of x we are going to put what? 3. Okay. So 12 into x square. So x value is how much? 3, isn't it? So it will become 3 square. So square is there, you have to put square. So in place of x we are going to put what? 3, isn't it? So it become 3 to the power 2 minus now 15x. That means 15 multiply x. And what is the value of x? X value is 3. So 15 into 3 plus 3. Now when you will do 3 square is equal to how much? 3 3 is a 9. So 9 multiply with 12 minus now 15 into 3 is equal to how much? 45, isn't it? So 45 plus 3. 45 plus 3. Now when you will multiply 12 into 9, 9 2s are how much? 18, 1 carry, 9 1s are 9, 10. So how much we got? 108. Now this is positive and this is negative and this is also in positive. So first we will write the positive one here, isn't it? Plus 3, then minus 45. Now if you will plus this, you will get how much? You will get 111, isn't it? So 108 plus 3, you will get 111 minus 45. So when you will do minus 1 1 1, you will minus with 45, then how much you will get? You will get here 6 and 6, isn't it? So how much we got? 66. So answer is how much? 60. So in this way you will do. Okay, first you will do simplify and what x value is given, that value you will put. Okay, so here x value is 3, so we put what? 3. Okay, in place of x we have put 3. So what we got? 66. Now 66 is the answer. Now in the second question it is given x equal to how much? X equal to 1 upon 2 is given. Now this is our simplification, isn't it? This is our answer. So 2 question is given what? X equal to 1 upon 2. Now instead of this x we are going to put 1 upon 2. Okay, so how you will put? 12 multiply with 1 upon 2 to the power 2. Now minus 15 multiply with 1 upon 2, then plus 3. So here it is square, isn't it? Square means what? 1 into 1 it will become 1, 2 into 2 it will become 4. Then minus now 15 into 1. If you will multiply 15 into 1 it will become 15 upon 2 plus 3. Now first you will solve this multiply. Now 12 ones are 12, isn't it? But we can cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So how much we got here? We got here is 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 15 upon 2 plus 6. Okay, plus, oh sorry, this is not 6, 3 itself. Now this is also positive and this is also positive, isn't it? So it will become 6, isn't it? 3 plus 3, 6 minus 15 upon 2. Now here what we can see, now 6 is not fraction, 6 is whole number and 15 upon 2 is a fraction. So we can make this what, 6 upon 1, isn't it? We can make this as a fraction, means denominator is 1, okay? Denominator will be 1. So if you will take LCM, LCM will be 2, isn't it? We know how to do fraction sum. So LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Now 6 will multiply with 2. Why? Because 1 divide 2 is 2. So it will multiply with 2. Then minus 15 minus 15 into what? 2 divide 2 is what? 1. So it will multiply with 1 only. So 6 to the 12. 12 minus 15 upon 2. Now if you will do now positive and negative. Now 12 is positive and 15 is negative. So 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. Now which is greater? 15 is greater. So greater number sign we have to put. So minus. So minus 3 upon 2 is the answer for this question. So what we got? We got minus 3 upon 2. Okay, 3 upon 2 is the answer for this question. Now come to next question. Question 4b is given a, then inside the bracket a square plus a plus 1 plus b, and find its value for a equal to 0 and a equal to 1 and a equal to minus 1, isn't it? So what we have to do here, first we have to simplify this given question, isn't it? So a multiply with a square plus a plus 1 then plus 5. Now when you will simplify this, how much you will get? This a will multiply with all the terms inside the bracket, okay? This a will multiply with all the terms which is inside the bracket. So a into a square will become a to the power 3. Now a into a, plus is there, plus. Now a into a is what? A to the power 2. Now a into 1 is a plus 5. So this is the simplification, isn't it? This is the simplification of the given question. Now they are in plus. Now if, and they are of what? Different terms, not like terms, isn't it? If they are like term then we can do plus, but they are unlike term, so we cannot do plus, so it will remain same. Now for first it is given a equal to how much? A equal to 0 is given, isn't it? A equal to, yes, for first one it is given a equal to 0. So if a equal to 0 is given, then you will put, instead of a, what you will put? 0, isn't it? 0 to the power 3 plus 0 to the power 2 plus 0 to the power 1. No power means only 0, means a means only 0, then plus 5. So 0 0 0 is what? Same 0, isn't it? So what is the answer? So we got what? 5, isn't it? So what is the answer? 5 is the answer. Now for second question, so this expression already I have simplified, isn't it? So just we have to put the value here. Now a equal to 1, you will put the value here. This is what homework, okay? A equal to 1, this will be your homework, and 3 question also your homework. So 1 you have to put a equal to what? 1 you have to put a equal to 1, and another a equal to minus 1 you have to put, okay? Minus 1. And for this 3 question I will say you something very important. So minus 1, isn't it? A value is given how much? Minus 1 is given. Now if there is a to the power 3, what it means? It means minus 1 to the power 3, okay? Minus 1 to the power 3. Now if minus 1 to the power 3 means what? Minus 1 is multiplying how many times? 3 times. So 1 into 1 is what? 1, isn't it? But if you will see the sign, minus minus is plus and plus minus is minus. So if minus 1 to the power 3, then answer will be minus 1, okay? You have to be very careful with this. So answer will be minus 1. So I kept this question as a homework. Any doubt you can ask me, okay? Any doubt, if you will face any difficulty doubt in question number 3, a equal to minus 1, just comment below and I will solve the questions again.